Hello, my name is Katarina Farah, and I will be teaching the Culinary Arts program at StudioSummer at Whittle School. 10 years ago, I started a program, which was a Culinary Arts program, but it was just really focused on baking. So basically, the kids received a cupcake, and we did different types of fondants on top of the cupcakes. I realized that that was not enough. So in efforts to take it to the next level, I began to put together a multitude of different types of recipes and cooking instruction so that I could help the students further develop their love of cooking and their love of being in the kitchen and their love of being around other people as well. I feel as though culinary arts for kids is just a general esteem booster. It helps them channel their creative juices and, just get them flowing and creating masterpieces that sometimes they thought that they could never even do. In this course, kids will not only learn about kitchen safety, but they will also learn various cutting techniques every week, as well as expect to execute a brand new recipe every single day. At the end of each day, the kids capture what they have learned for the day. So they will take a piece of paper and beautifully illustrate not only the recipe, but different sort of pictures that helps them remember exactly what they did for the day. So at the end of the week, they have 5 pages that they put together to create a cookbook and just be proud of the accomplishments that they had throughout the week. I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you, and I want you to know that you can do anything that you set your mind to. I look forward to seeing you in the kitchen. Toodles!